Tim again, here to give you a Bucket plugin server tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at WLC, which is a plugin for protecting gates, fences, dispensers, doors, chests, anything like that with either a password, a public protection or a private protection. If you're running Essentials, also that has a protection scheme on it, but it only works for signs, chests, dispensers, and that's it. However, with WLC you can lock with passwords and create public protections. With Essentials you can't, so I use this on my server to just give a wider range of locks. So first you want to go to your internet and go to Bucket again, Bucket forums, and get plugins. There will be a link in the description to the dev page of LWC. You download the jar and find your plugin folder of your server, and then you want to find where you downloaded it to. Mine is just here, and then you drag it in like any other plugin you usually would. And you hit the run, check if it all starts properly, and WLC should update into a recent version. It's good that they do that within the plugin. Just wait for that to do, and it's all done and it's up. So we're just going to stop plugins WLC. Right, okay. Backups, they do regular backups. I'm not entirely sure why, but let's go into the first config. This here, with WC, there is really no config changes that need to be made. It's all set up. I'm not just saying this just because I don't know exactly how to change it all. That is true part of it, but you don't need to change it at all. It's all set up perfectly. It's the same with the doors, the limits, and the magnet. So this one is going to be an in-game tutorial about how to use it in-game. So I'm just going to start the server, go on to Minecraft, and log in. Okay, here we are. Right, okay, and let's just get some stuff to lock. Fence, door, and a dispenser. Right, okay. The first step is the main command. So if you want to get the main commands up, /LWC, and this gives you all of the commands that you can use in game to help with the protections. As you can see, if you're already running Essentials, when you place a chest, it says create private chest successfully. Same with dispensers and signs, but I haven't got signs on me, so. But if I do, let's say at the start I want a chest that everyone can access. Because of the Essentials, I can't do this. Anyone who's not an admin won't be able to get in there. It will say locked by a magical spell. So with LWC, it allows you to change that. So you put C remove, and then it says punch your protection block to remove lock. Punch it. It says removed. Protection removed. So you then put C and then public, and then you click it again, and now this chest is set so anyone in the server can get into it. This helps with if you're doing a reward scheme at the end of challenges with like P chests or something, the player bound chests. This is the way that you want to do it to allow every player to enter a chest. It's the same with, you can also put, let me just remove, let me show you something else. Let's do a door this time. Doors don't automatically lock with essentials, so you can set up a lock. So you can do C private, which then creates a private. So this is now locked and only me and other admins can enter this door. If I wanted a door that, let's say I had a mining well or something, and I wanted only a certain group of people to be able to come down there, you set a password. So let me just remove. Yeah. To set a password, you put C and then password and then the password. So let's do that with test. Oh, sorry. C password and then test. And then it says, please left click your block to lock it. So now this door is locked with the password test. And as you can see down here, it says for your convenience you don't have to enter the password next time you log in. But any other player would come up the door and it would say locked with a password. Please enter password and left click to enter. So this allows me to have a door which is locked with a password. All of these, password and public and private, all work with a gate. If I wanted that to be private, C private. I spelled private right. C private. I can't spell private, so I'm going to use the, where is it? C private, and that can now be locked. As you can see with here, you have C modify, which you can modify an existing protection. If you have a password, you can use the C unlock and then the password to unlock that door. And C info to view information about all the protections in the world. C limits to see the amount of protections that you're allowed as a particular user with permissions. Remove a protection. If you're using permissions, your default class will only be able to remove and unlock or modify protections that they have made. Only admins will be able to unlock or change or destroy anyone's locked items. That's today's tutorial on LWC. Please subscribe, like and continue watching to find out more about plugins.